What's good? What's good? What's good? Give me 1 second here. Okay. All right. Oh, starting to dip already.
What it do?
What's good, brother?
Man, my computer signed me out of my Discord, bro.
Oh, so you had to log back in?
Yeah, I forgot my password. Oh man.
You said what?
I said I forgot my password. I had to reset everything. Of course, right before.
Oh, damn. All right. Here we go. Hopefully, my damn internet. What's crazy is
Router.
I'm right by my damn Wi-Fi and shit. So yeah, so it should be no reason why this thing is moving slow like this, bro.
Last week we was having those issues
All
too,
right.
I think.
We was. That's why I'm like, all right, what is going on here? I had to make sure everything was good with the back office. I did that. So I don't know what the issue is. Maybe I probably got to start closing. You know what? Let me close down a few apps. That might do it. I'll be having a lot of shit going on in the background. But anyway, what's good, people? Welcome to Late Night Leverage. We are live. We here. Um, we still stuck like Chuck. We are still stuck like Chuck. We
Bruh.
still stuck in that range. I mean, we pushing the lower boundary of the range, but every time it looks like we want to kind of do something, they push it right back up. So
Yep.
definitely feels, in my opinion, it definitely feels like distribution going on. It's just being long and drawn out. But at the same time, you got to respect price and just say, you know what, we are range bound, and until you get that definitive confirmation on either side, you can't really be like, oh, it's bullish or it's bearish. You really just got to wait. So we shall see. Uh, anyway, how was your trading day today, brother?
Man, so I was how many accounts I got? Two. So I was green on all my accounts. So it wasn't the green I want. I mean, wasn't the green I wanted because I was long this morning at
Yep.
the with the long that mostly everybody caught, but when we had to drop down, I had a tight stop, got stopped out, so I had to make that back in, which I did make back. So overall, I mean my eval accounts did well, but my funded I was only like positive like $20, so I'm a little tight about that. But other than that, live to trade another day.
Live to trade another day. That's a fact.
Yep.
That is a fact. Yeah, man, same here, bro. Luckily, I was green on both mine. Good thing is I was, which served me well,
Hmm.
because yeah, I'm looking for the short, goddamn it. So fuck all this long shit. I am ready for us to drop 300 points. Stop playing around. Like get this thing on and popping. So anytime I see a rip, I
Don't
just let
believe.
it do what it do. I just I just let it go. And then if I see a short setup, then I'll take it. I will say this afternoon was a good one. Right here, right around was that 1 to 2 o'clock. I wasn't I think I had to go get my daughter at 1:30, so I just wasn't uh locked in order to take the trade, but it did present itself. I definitely saw the short come up this afternoon after we pushed. We hit us, we went and finally took out Friday's high. We pushed right up to like 68, or we were sitting at 6,900 on SPX for a good minute.
Yeah.
and then finally it broke down, but I just wasn't in a position to take the trade. But it gave me the short that I wanted. I just wasn't there, but I was already green for the day, so I just chilled out anyway. Um, so yeah, when Dre joined us, he'll recap his trades. I think Dre definitely caught that afternoon short. Um, so yeah, so that is recap of the trades. As far as this market, what can we say? Like it's just it's range bound, right? We still have a divergence happening where the NQ was kind of the laggard, YM is leading, RTY kind of doing its own thing. And essentially, when you look at the ES or the SPX, it's flat on the year.
Yep.
Like it's basically flat on the year. Uh, you can when you look under the hood, there's definitely certain sectors or areas that's winning. Um, but for the most part, the environment we're in is definitely a stock pickers market. Um,
Mm-hmm.
as far as the indices go, and shout out to Mickey. I see he's on. Shout out to Random.
Mickey.
This is one of the ones where you got to know what system to turn on. And this is for me, who I trade the ES. This is you got to turn on a range bound system where you kind of just look to fade the extremes. When you at the low extreme, you look to go long. When you at the high extreme, you look to go short. Play mean reversion, right? And just trade the range, right? For those who are trend traders or swing traders that like a trend, unless you find an individual name that's got a good trend going, boy, the index eating your ass up. The
Boy.
index is eating your ass up. It is making you impatient. It's making you frustrated. All that in between, because we ain't going nowhere. We haven't gone nowhere since November. Like facts. Like we haven't gone nowhere in November. So all we can say is be patient, be patient, be patient. And the last thing I'll say, and then I'll pass it over to you, bro, is that whether this is distribution or accumulation, when we finally get a direction, we are going to go in that direction for a little while. Like we gonna go in that direction for a little while. Like it
Yep.
ain't is the way we are building and coiling and engineering this liquidity. Yeah, when this thing is done and it finally decides to break out or break down, yeah, at this point I'm like, damn, I expect at minimum, I expect a 5% move in whatever direction. So if we go to the upside, it'll be 5% to the upside. If we go to the downside, it'll be 5% to the downside. That's minimum. I really think it could push the more extreme side and hit at least 8, maybe even 10%, based on how long we've been in this range and building up. So we'll see, man. We'll see. Where you at with it, bro? I know you back on the ES a little bit, but
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Yeah, Dre a little upset about that. But no, I was on NQ this morning. But it really comes down to we spoke about it. It's about um kind of seeing resemblance to last February, right?
Hmm.
Chugging along, and eventually we ready for its flush. With and as we spoke about, it's just a matter of time for we this Iran stuff pop off. I think, and you talking about that 5%, man, it can happen really quicker than you know it.
Right.
One headline. So I think I think retail traders are itching for the market to go back up, but if you look at where the money flowing at, it's telling us it's about to be over. Like you gotta look at like that money flow you be talking about. If y'all
Yeah.
got that money going at, and
Yeah.
like we said, defense. Um, what else? A little bit of the staples. So you can talk about
Yep.
Walmart and a little tomorrow's gonna be key in the
Actually,
morning.
let me pull it up real quick. I'll pull it up. I'll pull it up for you real quick. So this is as of the 17th. So that's this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see who we got. We got Jay in the building. What's good, Jay?
Jay?
Mick said exactly. It will be so damn obvious, right? Jay said 1,000 point move. See, even my guys, even my look, and we know these dudes, so we know they know what they talk about. So even they see it too. So like, bro, it's gonna be it's gonna be a hell of a move, dog. Dre said, all my boys leaving me alone. Jay said 6,600. Listen, Jay, that's all I really want. Like, just swipe 6,700. Damn, like we can't even swipe 6,700. God, what's good, Carl? What's good, gang? Carl's tuning in. Okay, so real quick, I do see Quadree, you got your screen up. So bet. So from a market perspective, like he said, following the money, right? Following the money. Right now, energy is up 20% year to date, the energy sector, right? And if we look at what's the top names in energy, you got TPL on and rocking up 48%. You got Baker Hughes, you got Schlumberger, you got Marathon Petroleum, you got this has definitely changed a little bit. You got Phillips up 22, you got TRGP, shout out to Bay, Exxon Mobil, VLO, Devon Energy, Chevron, get your act together. Kinder Morgan, ConocoPhillips, come on through. EOG, Fang had a good day today. I'm kind of tight I didn't get in that one, but yeah, energy names are just steadily chugging along. And as long as we got this Iran risk premium out there, I think they can continue to perform. They usually do well the first quarter anyway. So energy, right, up 20%. Following that is materials.
Yep.
Right. And would you consider materials a defensive sector? Like, I don't even know what you really consider materials. Like, I don't think it's a defensive sector, but it ain't like a risk. Oh, it's kind of like one of those ones in the middle. It's like real estate.
But it could be because it's been, shoot, they ain't been doing nothing. Let me put some money into it. Like rotate this money out of tech.
Yeah,
I'm saying.
So you got materials up 16%. The biggest names of materials are Dow, SW, LYB, Newmont. It ain't none of the names you would have thought. Like ALB is the one. They up 20%, but these top names, I'm like, I barely heard of them before. Maybe except for Dow.
Yeah, Dow,
and DuPont. I do know who DuPont is. Yep. I do know, and I guess IP. So yeah, I know a few of them, but still. After materials is consumer staples, so absolutely a defensive sector, right? Up 13%, absolutely killing it. And then you got industrials. Now, when it comes to industrials, though, I think you have to drill down because really, what's powering industrials is really the aero and defense space. And then there's like a few others like Cat, Deere. So if you look at who the top names are here, you got Generac, you got Fix, you got Lockheed Martin, Cat. Damn, I didn't realize Southwest was doing that good. MCOR, FedEx, Deere, Carrier, GE Vernova, Quinta, Honeywell, Freight, Old Dominion Freight, Northern Grumman. So that's actually a pretty good mix, but killing it. And damn, I didn't realize Generac was up 71%. What is going on? So when you look at the top sectors, you got energy, materials, consumer staples. Most people will probably say those are defensive. You got industrials, which, I mean, aerospace and defense is the one that's doing the best. So that's defense, right? Yep. And then when you think about risk on, that's more your financials, tech, and consumer discretionary. All of them negative.
Yep.
So there's clearly a rotation. You've seen this playbook before, 2022, right? It's only going to be so long that the market can stay flat like this when you have defensive leading and you got the big dogs taking a hit. So if the big dogs continue to take a hit, eventually we'll come down a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't bleed into our defensive sectors. That's my biggest worry. But Yeah, man, like you said, follow the money. So right now, energy, materials, consumer staples, and industrials. Where the rotation. Uh, that's where the rotation been going. That's where the rotation has been going. All right. With that being said, what you looking at over there, brother?
Shoot, the
What
only
you
thing I
got
can look
on the
at is
screen?
the
Let's see.
indices.
We got anything?
Only,
Huh?
only thing I can look at is the indices.
Oh
Now we
yeah, because we can't really trade the metals no more. All them restrictions, huh?
so yep. So just seeing right now, we stuck in the range. Hopefully, 8 o'clock come, we get a move, whether it be the upside or downside.
That's true. That's true. It does. We are so as of right now. Shout out to Dre. See him in the comments. If I would have, let me go down to a 15-minute, and then I'm gonna turn off my weekly MAE real quick. I don't know if we got a direction yet. Did we get a direction? It's
Tell
at
you,
30.
tell you 1 second.
I don't think we did yet.
No, nope, nothing yet.
Yeah, bro. Last night we didn't get a direction till like fucking
So like,
midnight.
yeah. I was
Dog.
tight. I got top.
So yeah, we are below the six. Yeah. We are below the 6 p.m. open. We did hit the MAE out the gate, and usually based on the histogram, you'll make the high or the low within that first 15 minutes. So this could end up being a good high for
Yep.
the overnight session as long as we stay below uh this 6 o'clock. As long as we stay below the 6 o'clock open, then I think we can try to come down to the MFE.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see.
Yep, for sure.
Come on down, baby. Like you said, I gotta wait on 8 o'clock and wait on. Oh, there go Dre.
Yo,
Dre,
yo,
what up, brother?
what's going on, family? How y'all doing?
Chilling, man. We just wrapped up market recap. Talked about our trades we took for the day and just talked about
Hmm.
this market that's stuck, bro. How was your day, man?
Oh, today was it got good.
The
It got good.
afternoon.
Yeah, yeah. Like I got a little bias this morning. I was looking for short early.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Didn't give it to me.
Nope.
So I stopped trading. Once I saw we when you just blast off, we couldn't get below P12 high, P12 mid.
Yeah.
We just blast took I'm like, all right, I gotta wait now because it's not gonna
Yep.
come down. So I waited to get to my area, and bro, the afternoon was just
It was
like
clean.
somebody threw a bomb.
It was
Like,
clean, bro.
like
It was
somebody just threw
definitely.
a bomb, bro. Buff.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, it was
Yo,
no.
for real, I was tight. I missed it. I was like,
Yeah,
man, as soon as I left the crib, I said, mother sucker.
yeah. Yes, sir. Shout out to Random, baby. That candle sign popping. Yo, yo, my God. Yeah.
He said the IV drop at the open has about 82% chance of going up. Yeah, for me, I just was like, bro, they want to take Friday high. It was so clear to me.
Yeah.
Like when I look at the cash session, it was like, all right, they gonna try to. And plus, my notes also said one more pump up to about 6880, 6900 before
Yeah.
we could violently take out 6720. So, look, We almost there, man. And here's something else. I know we on Quadree screen. I'm gonna share my screen real quick because this is another thing that I'll be paying attention to. This is why I love um, the weekly MAE MFB. That's really my favorite, bro.
Yeah,
I stick to that. I stick to that more than anything.
yeah.
Um, especially on the ES.
No, that thing works everywhere.
Huh?
Yeah, it works fantastic on Q too. Yeah, yeah, that
Yeah,
shit's
it do.
popping.
I ain't gonna front. It do. It definitely does.
Yeah.
So for me, man, it's a couple of things that stand out as to how we traded this week. Number one is to start the week, we came up and tapped to 100%. All right, cool. Then early in the week, we came and slid all the way down. We tapped the 100, the 90. We hit MAE average. We hit the median and the average MAE. And I'm like, man, my thing was, I was like, shit, we kind of did that too fast early in the week. So I was like, okay, it's a short week. Let's go ahead. We got to go up a little bit more than likely. On top of that, we were well below the 5 EMA, right? On the random. So up here.
Mm.
I'm like, all right, shit, we're gonna have to go up. So Tuesday range printed, and it's funny how it printed almost literally the whole MAE joint down here. So I'm like, I bet. So now we go up today. That's another reason why I was like, okay, today they gonna go ahead and pump it. But we made it up to the 5 EMA, which is good. Almost made it to previous month mid, got rejected, and now as well as to your point, Dre, like you were saying, we don't hit the 100 and the 90 on both sides,
Mhm.
Yep.
the
Hmm.
upside and the downside. Now, what I do like is that we came up here in the middle of the week, so now we do have a shot of coming back down
Mm.
to the rest of the week, right? So we'll see how this plays out, man. Then, like me and you was talking about, if you look at the anatomy of the weekly candle and knowing what we know with the MAE and MFE, we might have just made the weekly wick today. Now we just need Thursday and Friday to keep pushing this back down, and we'll create the rest of the body, the
Mm.
weekly candle body, and might even finish towards the lows when it comes to Friday. So it's gonna be an interest. Tomorrow will be interesting. Then to your point, as far as data goes, all of the data is on Friday. I mean, yeah, we got unemployment claims tomorrow. I don't
Hmm.
think that's really going to do anything. But Friday, you get core PCE, you got advanced GDP, you get manufacturing PMI, services PMI, all in one day.
God,
Dang.
And so Friday could be the fireworks day.
And
Uh,
and they're ruling on the tariff.
the Supreme Court is still out there.
Yeah.
That's still out there. That's supposed to be coming. Who knows when that's supposed to come? Like
It
you said,
said
it
Friday.
might come. Yeah, but they said that last month.
Mm.
they've been delaying it for a whole month, Dre.
Damn. Poly Market got it for Friday, so I don't know. Might be.
Man, Poly Market had it for last month too.
Oh, fact. Okay. Okay. I didn't know that. Yeah. Dang.
You would have lost
That's
that bet.
hell yeah. The
So
only thing that I didn't like closing above Sunday, Tuesday today. That's the only shit that got me. I bet we're gonna do some
it's a
fucking
short week though, bro. It's a short week, so you gotta.
yeah. And we took last week slow, so I'm like, okay, I didn't want that. I didn't want that. Now that I saw it in my mind, I'm like, why we close above here? Like,
Uh,
but we inside this, like you said, we inside this range, so it can go either way.
yeah,
Either way, I'm ready. Like I'm ready either way. So let's go.
right. We inside
Yeah,
this range, so it really don't.
yeah, I'm ready. Like I'm not, you know.
uh, Jay said that's why they still holding those lower strikes in SPX positions. I'm assuming you're talking about like at put levels or what. You said lower strikes. I'm assuming not necessarily puts, but at just lower levels. Kurt said chopper style. It is. Well, here's the thing. It is choppy style, but again, I think you have to just like you gotta. It's some nuances, right? The ES is definitely very range bound, choppy. I would say the NQ is the laggard. So if you are shorting, you can get better shorts there. And then the Dow is kind of been the strong one. So if you're looking for the longs, you can kind of go there. And then Russell got a mind of his own. So it's the market all over the place.
Yeah.
Without a doubt. Market's all over the place.
Yeah.
Market's all over the place. Dre, what you looking at tonight, bro? You taking any you took a trade yet?
Yeah, sure. I took a short.
Oh, you
already.
took a short
Oh,
already? Okay. What short you
yeah,
take, bro?
I took a short. Where I took a short? Let me see if I short. My short was
Also, 3 minutes till 8 o'clock, fellas. So
Gotcha.
88. I short 88 right here.
got you.
So I came up, made the high, 15-minute high. You know that. So draft central right here, 15. Boom. Yeah, 25 points I took. My other place, my other account. Took a 25 on Tosted and here. Yep. So I I'm waiting now. We are above the open right now. We fighting.
On the
They
NQ.
open. Yeah, like right here we open. We came to previous day mid, I believe. I think so. Couldn't get below. Yeah, look to the T. Whoa, close. We got close to previous day mid. We bounced.
On
We
the
didn't.
NQ.
We did.
Oh, the NQ
Yeah,
be moving, bro.
NQ. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we haven't take a direction for Asia yet. We still short. We still none. So we have a high probability of getting the higher day. But this area right here, right now, is gonna tell me what I need to know.
I think
We lose these open. If we lose this open and this mid, yes, we going down, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cannot lose these two areas right now. So interesting spot to start 8 o'clock, and we're gonna do. Let's see, we get a trade right here, right now. See, we get a trade. We get above the open. I'm gonna like loans. Um, can it get yeah?
50 seconds.
What?
No, 50 seconds to eat.
Yeah, I gotta wait. What? 42 seconds. Let's see. Yes, sir.
All right, let's see.
Yeah, the bigs. Yeah, the bigs at 20.
The VIX, yeah, it closed today at like right shy of 20. But it worked its way back up because it definitely was coming down.
Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. 8 o'clock. New hour open.
Come on, tag me in, coach.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh. That's where we go. Yes, sir. That open. That open. Jeez. That open was game. Yeah. How was your day, Quadree? You saw it clean? Pretty sure you did.
Yeah, I had I saw it clean, but my stop was tight. So I caught a lot of my moves back at the end of the day. We had that drop. So
Yeah,
I finished
like my
probably off overall though. So
Magic Hour was fine for me. Like I took
oh yeah,
two.
I caught that trade this morning. Well,
You
I
did?
caught it after the news, after the
Yeah.
8:30 news, and we went down to
Mm-hmm.
12 mid.
Yeah, it took. Yeah, that's why I was like, yo, looking for that short, bro. I was shorting the Magic Hour. I got it twice, and then I mark it open. I'm like, I bet. I know what time it is. Stop playing with me. Let's go short. And then, but we held that Sunday low. You can see it right here, bro. They were sneaky today.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Look at it right here, bro. Look, that Sunday low, right there, 9:30. Hell, like a monster, and bounce. So I like bet. I might wait. Do you think? Came up
Right.
here to the
That's what I
yeah,
said. I was like, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna
yeah.
wait.
Do you think I'm here? I got here. I waited here. This area MFEs situation for the weekly, the 100% that you said, 190%. Got my swing. 13. I got short, baby. 1300. I got short, and I was just trailing it because it was so easy. It was just whoop.
Mm.
Every 50-minute week, I put my stop, whoop. And then I took profit right here when we get right here.
Yeah, that was
That
smart. At that point, it
three
was
o'clock.
that was it. That was the trade.
That was a trade. Like I don't need no
Right.
more.
Right.
It's on my it's on my. I put it in my S account. Yeah, like it was so beautiful, man. Like yeah, I can't complain. So this got me nervous. 9:30. I thought we were going in for the kill. Didn't happen. So I'm like, I had to replace price. I'm like, I'm not fighting price. I'm not doing that. So wait, just be patient and right here, patient, discipline, execution. You gotta be patient in this game. If not, you get smoked. Damn, I'm losing this straight. Damn, man. I didn't get in. Fuck.
Yeah, you said if it hold it open,
Yeah, but damn,
that
it
shit
just
took
took
off
off.
quick. Jesus.
Yeah, damn. Random, you long, bro? Don't tell me you long. I know he's long.
God, why won't they let this damn thing die? Fuck, bro. I was like, where is all this buying pressure coming from, man? Volume be
Yeah.
weak. I'm like, yo, this. Shout out to the. I'll just say, look, bro. Shout out to the Jesse Livermore series, bro. That shit be keeping me sane, dog. I'm so ready to get frustrated, but I'm like, you know what? That's what they
Mm.
want. They're gonna keep it in this range. They want to get you frustrated.
Let's go, Jay. Where
Yeah,
we
he
going,
got it.
Jay? Let's go, baby. See.
We probably about to push to the. We about to just go to the upside all night.
Yeah, probably. If we held the mid, like we got close enough for government right here. Yeah, this is giving me previous day high buy right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is giving me previous day high.
Damn,
Yep.
that's gonna be a hell of a push. I don't want it to go that goddamn high.
Random. Let's go, baby. Let me see what he said. Some monster. Okay, I wait. Yeah, baby. Yeah, yeah. Like if I put my drawing here, guys, this is gonna be. I'm gonna take it up because it's too gangster, but this is my area that we're going right here.
Ooh,
25, 200s,
oh, you want
and
a big push tonight, huh?
not tonight. Between today, yeah, overnight, yeah, we in New York, we could go there for sure. Unless we hold that open and previous day mid, yeah, we're going higher.
Yeah, I'm long
I'm,
against.
I'm not fighting price. We got a 90. Let me see. We got a 90. Like I'm gonna let them push because Friday is the day. So tomorrow they could be the push, right? Be the fake push, and then Friday be the dagger. But I'm gonna let that happen. We got 95% of going to the point five. If I do the measurement here,
Oh yeah.
I'm not fighting that probability, bro. I'm not. So if we want to give it to, if we didn't do it last week, so that's a major.
You talking on the
So
NQ?
yeah, 95%.
Mm,
Yeah, I know it's tough, but if it happens, I'm not gonna be surprised. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not gonna
no,
be surprised.
I get that. I definitely get
Mhm.
that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be surprised.
I just, yeah, I'm not gonna fight Price, but I also don't trust it either.
And that's
I
valid.
ain't
Yeah,
gonna fight
that's
it, but I damn sure don't trust it. So
yeah,
we'll
that's
see.
fair.
You
That's fair. You know, we've been spending volatility,
know.
be spending. We be spending the Rangers, so we can move right three,
Mm-hmm.
400 points between today and then tomorrow. Be the Friday damn central. Looking for that TAIF. This right now
Oh,
is looking like a good.
you done already hit TP, Jay, 68.99. We just tapped that.
Yeah.
We just tapped that.
Yeah, I'm long in Q. I'm long in Q.
You long in queue.
Yeah, I'm up right now.
Let's go. Let's go.
Quick scalps, quick scalps.
Yeah, I got. Let me
Hmm.
sending. Hi. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let me see. Man. Hell yeah. Let's, my guy don't play. Good shit, man. See. Uh, Now the only thing that don't go up is Bitcoin, so it's okay. That's the only. That's the thing that don't know what that means, man. Yo, that thing no. $100,
Where is that now?
65, 66, 66.
I heard it hit 65 earlier. I'm like, ooh.
Yeah. Um, when we hit 65.
Earlier today.
Yeah, the low was 65 800. Yep, yep. Yes, sir. Dang, we are running. Wow. Quadree, what's your target, bro?
25,000.
Yeah, yeah, bro. Clean. New highs. New high a day. I mean, the session highs. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Let's see what oil look like. Holding 65. Oil's holding 65.
Hmm.
You got gold down a little bit. Mm,
Yo, everybody long, bro. God damn.
I don't like that.
Yo, everybody's low, bro. I just
I
got three
know,
messages,
bueno.
bro.
Well,
Other
everybody say
people's
they
low.
long. I'm gonna just sit this one out. Yeah, y'all can have this one. I'm not joining that party
Nah, man,
because
we
nope,
nah. Yeah, man. Let's
nah.
go on.
I'll let it do what it do.
Yeah. That's smart. That's good.
I will let it do
Damn.
what it do.
Yeah, but yes. Damn. Yes, almost got to previous monthly, man. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Right there. Mm.
Damn
Right,
sure
yeah.
did.
Hmm. Yeah.
Any news tonight? I don't think we got no news tonight.
Let me see. What we got on the docket tonight. Thursday night. Eight no. PMIs in Japan, but already happened 7:30,
Hmm.
and then China is closed. So China is closed. They got a holiday, Chinese whatever. What's that thing called? Lunar year.
Lunar year.
Yeah, they got that going on right now.
Hmm.
And then Europe got Hello News 3 a.m. today. They got
Hmm.
retail sales, PMIs. Yeah,
Bet.
there's mad news on that. Yeah,
That's
you could get
perfect.
upset. Yeah, mad news. Yo, there's mad news tonight.
You know, I love that London dog. I'll wake up for that. Shout out to
Yeah,
Bowie and the crew, bro. That makes
yeah.
trading with them just makes London a little bit better, bro. Just because it's like I'm not up at the crack of dawn by myself, bro.
Who? Who you trade with?
Uh, with Bowie and them, the
Oh
London crew.
yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah. They be up there. That's
Yeah,
his
the London
time.
crew.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yes, sir. So you got people there. There you go. Hell yeah. It's boring to trade alone, bro. Shit.
Yeah,
It'd be Dale. It'd be a few who else be on there? Usually it's like Dale, Twist, Max. It's a few cat like Max is from my boot camp class.
Yeah.
It's a few cat.
He's
It'd be like a few cats.
yeah. He be a magic guy with two max. Yeah, yeah, for sure. It's my shit.
Said
Adrian too, right?
says they ain't dropping this shit with China on holiday. That's how you start World War III.
Who said that?
Shit, that's the perfect time to drop it.
Damn. Yeah, that'd be crazy
China market don't do nothing but gap all around any goddamn way.
though. Damn. Yo, everybody's home, bro. Shit.
We almost at their target though, Dre. That we got like 10 more points to get to 25,000 or well, more like 13.
13. Yeah,
Well,
I see.
now it's
It's
like 10.
coming.
Yeah.
Dang, I should have got long. Why didn't I? You see? Dang, I called shot.
You said at 8 o'clock if it hold the open.
That was a long, bro.
we get the 25,000. I'm taking 3 off. And I'm gonna let the other one.
Oh,
ride.
you hold on. Let's put your screen up. I ain't
Yeah,
realize you
for
was even
sure.
in there.
I got a lot going on. Let me just put it in one.
There you go.
Yeah, we're running now.
Oh, you in MNQ?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, that's a mean coin. What's that? Let me keep.
So yeah, looks like they gonna run it up tonight, huh? See, the only reason why I'm skeptical, bro, is because when I look at the higher time frame on the weekly, we done hit some pivots that if it don't get through these pivots, it's more likely to reject than keep going higher for me. At least that's just what I see.
It's an hour fair value gap here.
Hmm.
I'll go back to the middle. Get it out the way though.
Yeah, we got a value imbalance up top. That's good. Yeah, this is gone, bro. It's gone. Shit gone. Yes, sir. Micro's fucked up. $3.99.
That's where it got to.
Microsoft, yeah.
Oh no. Yeah, Microsoft's still sitting there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm. Barbie. Yes. Oh. Hmm.
Man, something finna pop off tonight, bro. I don't like this price action. I don't care. It can go up all it want, but yeah.
Hmm.
You know, likey. Especially when I look at that volume from yesterday.
Weak.
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
What? Weak
Weak
is
sauce.
weak sauce, bro.
Dang.
That's why I'm like,
Yeah.
That's why I'm like, soon as the sellers come with some volume, it's a wrap,
Yeesh.
bro. It's a wrap.
Yeah, Thursday, Friday might be that day for us. You know, I like shorting more than buying, so you already know. I like
Mm-hmm.
that. Yeah, man.
Gold is well no, it's dipping back up, but
Hmm.
on the other side, I do want to see oil run. I like to see
Sir.
oil pick up. It's at
Yeah, oil.
65. Come on, man. Let's get that party started. Let's get
Yeah.
that party started.
Hmm. Damn, you're gonna get up here and not gonna take the high? What are you doing, Q?
I told you, bro. Do not be surprised. I don't like
You-
it. Don't like it. Something's brewing.
Damn. You had a good day today, Zay. I saw you posting. You got clean.
Yeah, I had a pretty decent day, man. But like I said, I was done early though, so I didn't.
Mm.
I could have. If I would have took another trade, it would have been in the afternoon with that short you caught.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get there in time, but
Yeah.
luckily, yeah. You know,
Man.
come on, man. Come on, ES. Reject this 69. As long as we reject 69.75,
Mm-hmm.
don't go above 6,900.75 on ES. Just keep rejecting that. And I think the ES got to come back down to at least 68.82.
And it's dropping.
They're gonna drop some news at 8:30. They about to drop some news at 8:30, Dre.
Yeah.
See.
8:30 gonna hit, they gonna drop something. Huh?
Quadree. You
Sir.
what you said?
That's it. Yes, sir. What's up?
Oh, yeah. Man, y'all watched the All-Star game? That shit was fire.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bro. That thing was popping. Wow.
I heard it was good though.
Nah, it was fire. They went in. They played ball.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
That's what's up.
yeah.
They play both.
Maybe I
I'm like,
might
okay.
start watching it now if it was that good.
Well, it
I
seemed
heard a
this
few
year,
people said it. Go ahead, say it again.
Huh?
it was like this year they had a point to prove. That's why.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully they
Anthony
got a
Edwards.
point to prove next year too. Then shit.
Anthony Edwards went crazy, yo. Oh my god, that guy. Shit.
Yeah, him and they said him and your boy Wimby.
Wemby went off. Kawhi went off. Kawhi went
Yeah, I
crazy.
was surprised about that one.
He scored 30 points in like
In
12
one
minutes.
quarter.
I'm like, yo, man, what are you doing? Yeah.
Yeah, like why you don't do this when
Yo.
you
Yeah. But they run plays. Nah, they play ball. Nah, they run plays. He was crazy. Nah, he was a good one.
That's what's up.
Mm-hmm. No, that like, I'm gonna drive you in. You're gonna dunk, and nah, we're gonna watch you. Nah, that shit didn't happen. You
Well, I
gotta
think
earn it.
also I heard the format changed is what also,
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Because it was only it was like 12-minute quarters, and you only was going like 40 points or something like that. It was a round robin tournament, some shit.
yeah.
Yeah, so
They had to do.
they had the world team versus like they had like the OGs,
Yeah,
youngins versus then the world.
yeah.
And everybody beat the world ass, bro.
they had a point to prove.
Yeah, but I didn't. This guy didn't play. Shy. I didn't see
Nah,
him.
he ain't play.
He was hurt. All
He
these
hurt.
that's what's good about the NBA, man. Well, that's what's annoying. Everybody's supposedly be hurt out of nowhere.
Yeah, that's fake. That nigga not
It's
hurt.
like Kyrie Irving just about an hour ago said he done for the season. He didn't even play.
Yeah, I mean, but he turned his shit. He got a.
It don't take more than a year. He balling. You see, if you look, everybody now going on surgery.
Mm-hmm.
Like not everybody needs surgery now.
I mean, shit.
They be
Yeah,
scared.
yeah, that's true.
They be scared, yo.
Hey, let's see 8:30 you're gonna do. If I get him this straight for sure. Let me see. The fact that we didn't take that high got me nervous. Let's go. They still got 1800 higher. Okay.
Oop, my bad.
Bitcoin.
You said Bitcoin?
No, it's not doing nothing. The bigs. Okay, I see what we're dropping.
Wow.
The bigs trying push.
Let me see. Hold on. Let's put your screen.
I mean, it's at 20 right now. Like it's
Hold
going
on,
green.
You got this the futures VIX?
Yeah. So, and Q rejected that area.
Did we get a direction yet? I still don't think.
Nah,
No.
It's still none.
None.
Bruh, they did this shit yesterday, bro. We probably don't get no direction till like midnight, yo.
Because China is closed. That's why.
You right. You right. You right. You right.
Yeah,
Oh
China
man, that's
especially.
probably so. Yeah, the night this volume about to be trash.
Mhm. Like China open now at 8:30, but it's not gonna be no crazy now.
Yeah, yeah. You right. You right. You right. You right. You
Ooh,
right.
my brother in the building. What's up, my guy?
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
See,
I do see oil going a little green here. Damn, I'm glad you told me that China ain't open today, bro.
yeah, China close. Yep,
That's changed my whole little.
little play.
No, I mean, I really wasn't looking to do nothing tonight anyway because I told you I don't like how price moving. So unless I see a
Mhm.
clear short,
Yeah,
I don't want none of this going up ish. Go down.
yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, let's see 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. Let me go here. Gotta hold this open though.
There we go.
This, if we
I'm
don't hold
telling
that
y'all,
open,
man, I don't like it, bro. This price action is not good. Then with Dre, you said, look, Dre, soon as you say everybody long, no bueno. That's a no bueno. Y'all know what we about. We fade the crew, dog. We never go with the
yeah,
crowd.
everybody went long. Yes,
We
sir.
like everybody long. Oh, that was my cue right there. Stay your ass out that trade.
Yeah, yes, sir. Let me see. All right, this is an area right here.
Yeah, let's see what 8:30 do.
Yeah, we got 2 minutes. Like, she see.
See, I'm gonna show you. Let me. So this what Dre. This what I see right here, bro. Or this what I'm looking at.
Mhm.
Like I know we but when I do this, go to that weekly on the ES. Let me change this to this. This structure is too clean
Mm.
for me to ignore. Hold on. There we go. This is what I wanted to. If you can see that a little. Hold on. Let me take off the little dots.
Mhm.
Then that way I can just zoom in. All right. So like this pivot here is crucial, which is 6,905. That's why I'm like, yo,
Mm.
as long as we don't like if we get past this, then the next real pivot is 6914.50. These are
Mm.
weekly closes.
Mhm.
So I'm like, bro, if
Yeah.
we can't, if we already today we got through this, got up here, rejected, and we closed back below it. So yeah, we might run up to it again, but as long as we keep rejecting this, once we can crack get back below 68, 90, 75, then again the line in the sand is this 82.50. Once you break 82.50, it ain't the next pivot is like way down here. So it ain't got nothing but run room. And that's why I'm looking at the weekly candle and I see this wick. So I'm like, okay, I know what needs to happen here. Either we the market or the ES is going to definitely have to push through that 90.50, and if it does, then
Mhm.
okay, we get back up to here. But if we stay below here and just keep rejecting, once we can kind of flush down a little bit and get back under that 68.90, that last line of
That,
defense is going to be at 82. And if 82 don't hold,
what's that blue line right there? That weekly
that's
20?
my weekly 20.
Mm. Mm. Okay. Damn. Shit popping.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm like, this really is just this the
Let me
last
defend.
chance before if we close below this weekly 20, weekly 50.
Yeah,
And look where it line up. Right at these lows.
that's cute. QT lows.
That would be quarter low. That would be quarterly lows.
That's what I want, man. Stop playing. Hmm.
Only thing that has me tripping is I think when they do it, it's gonna be fast and furious, and that's the part I hate. I mean, I don't hate that part, but it's like one of those joints where it's like they're gonna happen in one day, and if you ain't in, you gonna have to
Whoop.
chase, and then it's just no bueno, man.
Yeah. The moment they say recession, whoop. Bye.
Yeah. Well, they ain't saying that though. That's off the
Yeah.
table. They don't
Yeah.
change that. Also,
Yeah.
look at the monthly pivot. Once you lose 68, 93, 75, bro. Next
Hmm.
one is 67, 81. So
How many percent is that? 5, 10?
from
Or
here to
no?
here.
Yeah.
Oh no, that ain't not a lot. That's shit. 1.6.
Like a Friday.
Right. You more or less, if you're talking about a bigger one, we talking about more or less going down to August, which is like
Mm.
65, 88. That's 4.42.
Mm.
That's
Okay.
why I said, bro, well, if we break out that range, I think what's this pivot? That's 5.95, 7.4. And then let's see if we get into like right here. That's 10. So that would be 6156. Woo! Let's go do the upside. I don't want to be biased. So 5% to the upside. If we break out to the upside, would take us to roughly 7240. And then the 7% move 7382.
Mm.
And then I think 10% would be 7591. So like 7600 basically. All right, 830. 830. It's 830. Let me goddamn let's lock in real quick. What we're gonna do.
Sir. I'm long from 62. Yeah.
My bad. You went long.
Yeah, I got long 62.75.
Let's go. All
I,
right.
I'm
So
risking
you long. My boy
I'm
got tagged
risking
in.
my yeah.
Quadree, you still in? You back even?
No, I'm still in. I'm negative still.
All right, there you go. Not much. Trying to go back up.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. My stop. What's that? It's 8 points. Okay. Right there, that pit. 9 points. There we go. There you go.
Let's see where we at. Where you at? Where you at with it? Woo. Bro, I rolled my ankle earlier today, dog. I'm definitely about to go ice that bitch when I go upstairs.
Damn.
That shit hurt like a bitch, bro.
Mm. Playing ball? Shit.
No, I literally was walking out my house to step down the step, bro. That joint just gave out on me. Wow. I hit the Kevin Hart. I was telling Quadree earlier. If you saw Kevin Hart, you see his new special he did?
Nah, I
He did
haven't.
a
Nah.
special, he did a special where he talk about, when cats get older and shit. And he was saying how like when you get older, shit, you roll your ankle, you out for 3 weeks. He's like, you get older, you roll your ankle, you tear your meniscus. That's like, yo, I swear, that's exactly what happened to me today, yo. Like, if you saw that special, he talk about how like when you roll it and it hit the ground, my nigga, that shit, that's exactly what happened. Like, no lie,
Damn.
literally, I stepped out the door, turned around
Yeah.
to go lock it, and my foot just was like, wow. I was like, oh god.
Got you. Damn, they're gonna get me. Ooh, gonna get me. Hmm. They would get me out. Yep. Boom. They got me.
Woo. Hey, what I tell you, Drew? I told you 8:30, something about to drop. Some news about to drop, bro. I told you I don't
Yeah.
like this PA, bro. They about to send this shit to hell.
Right here, they open right now again.
Dog, it's about to get on and popping, son. Look at that candle, son. Something just happened.
No, that's 1 minute candle. Hey, shit. Let's see. Right here. Yeah.
I think we got up, bro. I think we can, just like last Thursday was 156 points.
Mm-hmm.
Get to me them. I need that. I need that.
Right.
Man, hold up, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Something's about to pop off.
I'm looking. Let me see.
Like the way that just happened. I'm telling you, it's going to be a matter of a minute. We're gonna see the news roll, man.
That was nasty.
Yeah. They didn't even get that high. That was sus. Sus. Right there.
Mm. Did we miss a Trump tweet or something?
I can't test that open. Sheesh.
It's bouncing back off the open again.
Yeah.
That was nasty.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I think London gonna be my session.
Mm-hmm. It was a bit because it's popping.
Mm-hmm.
Hey yo.
Yeah,
So They, they be, people be doing like the little the AI videos with the little kids that act out the movies and shit.
Yeah.
Bro, they did my favorite scene from Life.
Mm.
You seen that movie, Dre? Life with Eddie Murphy and Martin.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the part where after he finished, he gamble and then Martin come back and he like, yo, you got that $2? Then Martin go through the whole story. He be like, that she was a real church fair girl, so I gave her the $2. And then he talk about how he lost all the money. Martin be like, man, fuck that cheap ass watch. Yo, that part gets me every time. So then when I seen it with the little kids, yo, that made it
Mm.
even more funny, yo.
Oh shit. Nice.
He said, don't even say watch around me. You got to say little clock or something. Because you say watch, I'm going to just dive on you. Yo, that movie is a classic, bro. I love that movie, man.
Oh, you got those. Must be random. Yes, sir. Random talk to you on the chat.
Let me see. What are you talking about? Yeah, you got those dad vibes happening. Say how you sit back. I do. Hey, I'm very much in my dad era, bro. I love it too. I love it.
Yeah.
Only thing I don't love is dad good I've been getting. That's why I had to get my tail back in the gym, bro.
Mm. Yeah.
My metabolism caught up with me quick. All right, 8:45. Let's see what's popping.
Hold it. I'm. My man, what are you gonna do with this open?
Mm, 93.50. Come on, bro.
Nobody's doing. Okay, is that right there?
The fact we haven't picked the direction be annoying, bro.
Yeah, facts. I mean, but how big is this range? Not too big. Let me see.
80 points.
80 points.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. No, we need some movement.
I mean, you called it, Dre. You said the Asian market closed.
Uh,
It's probably about to be like me saying what you got a bare knuckle what do you call it, like bare knuckle fist fight,
the market. Yeah.
just one of them.
Yes, sir. Oh, what's that? Let me see something. Let's see. Let's see. Where are you? This is a key area right here again, man. This opening. What are you gonna do? Not trading it down. Wait.
She finna drop, bruh. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Lose it.
Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Hey, here you go.
She coming down.
Trying to. New fit. Yeah, new 15 minutes. Eh,
Come on, I'm just watching the ES. We slowly crawling through those levels that I was talking about. 90.75 is next. We'll get through that.
mhm.
Come on, 82.50, buddy. Mm. Come on. You're almost there.
Open again.
Here we
Here you
go.
go.
Yeah, I was gonna say, here we go, Dre. Oh,
You popped it right back up.
pop it
You
right
know
back
what?
up.
That's
Hmm.
crazy.
That's because we
Yeah,
probably gotta
watching it
wait.
live with us.
We probably gotta wait for we gotta wait for 9 o'clock.
Mm,
One
we're
thing I
about to
took from
start.
you, Quadree, that I do now or that I don't do is I whenever we get to the last 15 minutes, I
Yeah,
don't never take a trade with I always wait. I
yep.
always wait. So if I don't catch it in the first 15 or about a half an hour, once we hit that 45 mark, I'll be like, well, I might as well wait for the new hour candle. Because that last 15 will F you up
Get,
every time.
get you cracked, boy.
Boy.
Nah, 9:45 different though. In the
Hey,
morning.
I don't care what 45 it is, Dre. I'm waiting.
That's they want. 9:45 they want. Shoot. When
I'm
you
definitely you talking about in the morning?
yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely waiting for that because that joint right there will take your head off if you ain't on the right side.
Facts.
Mhm. Yeah.
Bro, if you was not on the right side, that 945 candle will take your head off quick.
Yes, sir. Right, but you play it right though, you know, you be good.
Bro, I just be waiting, man. I don't yeah. I got into a good groove of I know what I'll be looking for. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I let it rock, bro. Let it rock. Yo, look at oil, man. Oil still, it's quietly doing its thing over there. It's only up 6 cents, but I like that it's holding 65.
Mm. Woo.
Come on, dog. Tell you what, bro. If I get, I'm sure they made my money back. If it go the opposite way, I'm cooked.
Oh, you short now?
I've been sure I flipped it,
Oh, you flipped it? Smart man. Smart man.
but
Everybody
this
was
is
all,
eval.
oh,
This is eval.
huh?
So this is eval. This ain't how I really would trade.
Got it. Oh yeah, you just trying to get it past. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, you be on gangster mode when you be doing your evals, bro.
Nigga be
Because
paying.
like we think about it, bro, like this. You just got. I started changing my mind. Like I'm just trying to pass this, bro. I ain't trying to. The way I really trade, man. I would have never. I would have been done. Well, when I wouldn't trade my funded account either.
Mother sucker. I don't think they gonna. I was trying to see if I can get a feel, but it don't look like they gonna feel me.
Because I don't like that we broke 6880 on the sorry,
Mm-hmm.
was this on the ES 68?
60 what?
No, on the ES. I don't like that we broke the 6890. My bad.
Yeah, that's 6890.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah, bro. That's that last pivot. If that pivot don't hold, we almost there. We got one more point to get down to that 90.75. Oh, there. Come on. There it go. Almost there. 2 ticks away. 1 tick away. Oh, I wanted to get in this trade. Son of a gun.
What is? Oh. Hey, I open, man. It's like a stopper. Here we go. What we're
Hmm.
gonna do? This is like a stop sign. Okay.
Mhm.
Now we're losing.
There we
Here we
go.
go.
Look,
Come on.
I wasn't able to get in it on my account, but I definitely took it over here.
Paper. Let's go.
Yeah, I was trying to get filled at the 9350 like I was filled here, but it never went back in and tagged me in.
Hmm.
But see, I'm playing. This is this close. We rejected the 90.75. So again, looking at the weekly, we these three pivots here got to get rejected. We rejected 90.50. We are under 93.50. This last one is 90.75. We get below there, 82.50. Get it to me. Oh, they might. Well, and now I'm gonna wait till 9 o'clock though, so I might be able to
Mhm.
get tagged in at. Might be able to get tagged in at 9. Did y'all see the
It was
tweet that the United States might be ready to launch an attack on Iran by this weekend?
by
No,
this weekend.
they sent that one out.
Yeah, unusual
Hey,
wealth.
mm, dang.
That's what I'm saying. That shit just keep changing and changing.
Yeah, look at this bullshit. This shit.
Man, oh, they pushed it. Oh man, they done took my joint back to flat. It's okay though, because we going into 9 o'clock.
Let's see.
Let's see
I'm
what
low
9 o'clock.
again.
You long again, Dre?
Yeah. We don't want to break that open.
Shit, we might
I
just
got
be
my
none. We might still be none.
I got my money back.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
already?
Yeah.
My boy
Not,
said, "Let me get this back."
we're not playing.
Oh, you took a nice little long. I see you.
Yeah. Close up. Like we tried to close below, came above, and we gone.
Hold up. Let me go put on. You be looking at the 12-hour after hours, don't you, Dre?
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, the ES just keep bouncing on this open.
Mm.
Let me turn off.
Took 15.
Oh, you already? Oh, you exited out?
Add to my 15. Now I'm back. Yeah.
Oh, my boy, I'm back. I need that real quick. That's all. They just see. Look, now we coming right back down. Dre just had to get some money real quick. He pushed the price up.
Yeah.
Now we can resume our trend back down.
9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 o'clock.
Yeah,
Yeah, that kind of be crazy, bro.
dog, don't it?
Shit. So, see, let's go, baby. I got my boy in the chat, man. This guy, yeah. You see it? See, I know you saw that. Yeah, I know he saw what I saw.
Bro, I think the ES put in a good high, bro.
What, 9:15? 8, what time?
Put it in right at 1800.
Yeah, NQ too. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So let me see. This where I'm at with it, Dre.
Let's see.
Long as I'm gonna take out this high right here. Got the bar 13 times. Came down. Little green, so they gave us a little bounce. And we still within range. We ain't got no direction yet. And it's trying to hold this open. Like you said, the ES did bounce off prior day mid, so we'll see what happens. But it's also fighting
ES
this.
did too? Ooh.
Yeah, the
I
ES
didn't know
tapped
ES
the
did
prior
that.
day.
Nice.
Yep.
Wow. To the T too. Wow. Goddamn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nah. That's another black.
And now we battling over this Asia OU.
Yeah.
Nice one push there. Oh, we got 2 minutes. Let's see what's happening. Oh, they pushed it. Damn, see, thank God. This is exactly why I don't take trades in the last 15 minutes, Quadree. I would have got cooked.
Yep.
I was like, let me go ahead and wait for this 9 o'clock hour. I will add one on this though. Just cause I want to get my cost above this OU.
We're above the Asia. Oh yeah. Let's go. That's 20 seconds for New York one. For 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And she gone. It's 2 TP on Topstep. So now I'm up. I'm up. Yeah. Yeah, we good. We Gucci for the night. Yeah, we good. Now we good. Have me nervous. Have me here. Like, come on, man. Let's go. Where we at with it?
Of course, I had to
True. I'm trying
bounce
to make
back.
I'm trying to make this money back on the bounce.
What's that, man?
Oh yeah, I got cooked.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's go. Yeah.
98.25. Oh, 9 o'clock. All right, here we go.
I just need to push higher. Come on. I need 6 more points.
Mm-hmm.
You on NQ or you on? Yeah, you gotta be on NQ as 6 points.
I
Yes, you
want
know the
anything.
ES take all day for the.
Yeah.
I was gonna say yeah, you gotta be because shit. Oh, matter of fact, we'll go to a 905, but this about to be a wrap for us, fellas.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
About to wrap tonight. About to shut her down. Go ice my ankle. Yeah, y'all, y'all got any last words before we roll?
Ooh, that
Nah,
this.
man, it's this murky territory we in.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
it is, bro.
Head on
Yes,
this.
it is.
I want to patience, 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 patience. Today I felt almost felt myself for not being patient to the afternoon because I didn't wait for the right time to trade. The
Yes.
morning was not so clean for me, so I was a little biased, and it was my my fault. But I I I encourage for in this type of market, rangy market, yeah, a stock picker patient is required for sure.
Yep.
So
Mm-hmm. Facts. You got anything, Quadri?
No, don't chase. Stay patient. Be calm because it does get right. Even when like today, I was down, made just enough to be green. Sometimes a little green is the best thing. So
Right. Facts.
yeah. So that's what I was saying.
Yeah. Same thing, man. I just, like you said, when you in the range, um, you know what? Here, I'll tell you from based on my notes and stuff. When you're in the range, you don't want to chase weakness, and you definitely don't want to like chase strength either. Because as y'all saw, we pumped all morning. It looked good, and then by the afternoon, gave it all back. At the same time, by the time it made that down move, you end up going back up and getting a wick. So definitely just, be patient, stick to your entries, those extremes. And the last thing is when we finally do pick a direction, don't fight it
Yep.
because we going that way for a minute.
Yes, sir.
So whether what your bias is, if it was long or short, once you see that definitive break of us going long or short, just go with the flow because we're gonna go
Exactly.
that way. So
mhm.
we'll be back tomorrow since we didn't do a Tuesday show. We'll be on tomorrow, 7:15. We'll catch y'all tomorrow. Talk about how tomorrow's trade goes. So that's gonna be a good thing. So we'll be going into Friday. That's gonna be pretty lit. I'm looking forward to that. See how tomorrow go. So yeah, that's concludes another episode of Late Night Leverage, y'all. We'll catch y'all tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Have a great night, family.
Great night too.